Right now you're tuned into live Just Vibe sessions, Juss Jerk, right outside the Arsenal Stadium. Myself, Raga Zulu Rebel. Go check out Raga Zulu Nation with their pump pump. Don't forget, Creating Dreams. Big up all the family. Salute, salute. Rex.
Feel like I was born to die. Could be hit by a bus just walking by, or an American atom bomb fall from the sky. From a child all I ever seen was war. I lie. Refugees trying to reach to the borderline. Child soldiers in the trench without water supplies. Think how we survived, tearful from my eyes. Knife crime epidemic, people falling like flies. Born to die, dying to live. Just think about the messages I'm trying to give. Build up barriers here as I as a bridge. Can't cross, so we're lost here as hostages. Life is short, life is short. You're born, you breed, pay for child support. Blink, next thing you're on life support. Whether got a silver spoon or copper knife and fork. Don't shoot the messenger, the bearer of bad news. Wrote a note on your heart and left it there like a tattoo. Story goes on and on like Karl X Flow. If you ever listen to me, sincerely I thank you. Just don't shoot, don't shoot. I told the truth and nothing but the whole truth. Like Whole Foods, this is what I produce. Don't shoot the messenger, I'm begging ya, don't shoot. Good evening. First thing, life short as a piece of string. Don't get caught in the mix over material things. And not like Tony Braxton, never breathing again. Look at here, all I see in here is pushing fear. Puppet masters pulling strings for the puppeteers. Disaster behind scenes with the engineer. We're all stuck to our screen so we couldn't care. It's a joke how we're woke but we're not aware. Poisons in the water, food and polluted air. And we're worried about Becky with the good hair. I'm out of here burning rubber on my good years. The headlines are updates to the world stage. Little girl lost her legs to an hand grenade. No legs, now she's a landman made. While the warlords shake hands and plans were made. Don't shoot the messenger, the bearer of bad news. Wrote a note on your heart and left it there like a tattoo. Story goes on and on like Karl X Flow. If you ever listen to me, sincerely I thank you. Just don't shoot, don't shoot. I told the truth and nothing but the whole truth. Like Whole Foods, this is what I produce. Don't shoot the messenger, I'm begging you, don't shoot. Started off with Jackson 5s, buying 99p. Hot wings and fries in high school. Scrubs and batties and fires. Since then, I paid dues, taxes and ties. Knuckle duster, CS gases and knives. And license ringer riding in the passenger side. Surprised, we never crashed and just died. To tell the truth, I'm kinda glad we're alive, car. Now we all got kids and fam. Put down the petty crimes to be a businessman. Didn't understand, it's all the biggest scam. The clan run the world under a different brand. It's all just police and teasers. Big dons, old cons wearing ties and brief cases. Turn and take 30 paces each. It's a game of battleships and make-believe. Don't shoot the messenger, the bearer of bad news. Wrote a note on your heart and left it there like a tattoo. Story goes on and on like Karl X Flow. If you ever listen to me, sincerely I thank you. Just don't shoot, don't shoot. I told the truth and nothing but the whole truth. Like Whole Foods, this is what I produce. Don't shoot the messenger, I'm begging ya, don't shoot. The bearer of bad news wrote a note on your heart and left it there like a tattoo. Story goes on and on like Karl X Flow. If you ever listen to me, sincerely I thank you. Just don't shoot, don't shoot. I told the truth, nothing but the whole truth. Like Whole Foods, this is what I produce. Don't shoot the messenger, I'm begging ya.